Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn LCM. So it's a very simple topic. Why I'm going to discuss LCM in my video is the reason is that one of my students request me that to explain the basic concept of LCM. She has no doubt about the SCM, but regarding LCM, she has a doubt. So she requests me to give the basic concept of LCM. So in order to fulfill her request, today in this video, I'm going to give you the basic idea of LCM. 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 I'll give the basic concept. So I'm very grateful to the Facebook platform so that we can easily reach to each and every students. So for that reasons, I'm really grateful to the Facebook platform. So form of LCM. LCM, L for least or lowest common, C for common, M for multiplication, multiple, least common multiple, LCM, L for least, C for common, and M for multiple. So I have taken two numbers as an example. So first we are going to find out the multiples means the table of 2. So what are the numbers came in table 2? So 2, so these are the numbers are there in the tables, 2 multiples of 2. Then what is the multiples of 4? Multiples of 4 are 4, these are the multiples of 4. The multiples is completed. Multiples of 2, these are the numbers which are the multiples of 2. These are the numbers. Similarly, we have the multiples of 4. Now we have to take, this is the first step. The second step is we have to take the common among all these number. The common is 4, 4, then 8, 8 as well, then 12, 12. These are commons, and so on and so forth. Second part is also completed. Now the thing is that you have to find out the least or lowest. This is the third step. Among all these numbers, you have to find out the lowest, which is the lowest number among all the common numbers. So the lowest is 4, the 4. So therefore LCM, least common multiples of 2 and 4 is 4. I hope it's clear to you. So I would like to thanks to the Facebook platform for giving me this opportunity, so that if the students have any doubt, we can easily reach to the each and every students. So thank you for watching.